What is this? Like, can someone explain this position? Like, I don't know. Each time I take a shower, she does that. Monsieur, look, what am I supposed to do right now? And show me her butt now. Look. And she's just chilling. Like a squirrel. Hey. Hey. And her sister is down here. So one down, I move it up. Hey. Can I start my day? Can I start my day, please? No? Okay. I think I'll be like that for a while. That's what you got for taking a shower. Never take a shower while your cat's still awake. You have to sneak it.